To book an appointment in Handshake, you will need to navigate to arizona.joinhandshake.com and log in using your University of Arizona Net ID and password. Once you've been authenticated, you will see a screen similar to the one demonstrated in front of you. From here, you will click on Career Center on the left side of your screen, navigate to the appointment tile, select Schedule a New Appointment, click on the College of Science Career Center, choose the type of appointment you would like help with, and then select the time, date, and career coach you would like to meet with. Remember, each of our career coaches specialize in unique major areas. Rachel Green supports students in neural, cognitive, and behavioral, as well as life and molecular sciences. And Nimrose Ortiz-Diaz supports students in mathematics and computational sciences, as well as earth, physical, and space sciences. Please be sure to select your appointment medium. We offer appointments via Zoom and in person, and add any important details to the notes. These notes help our coaches understand what you would like help with. Once you're ready to request the appointment, simply click the Request button. If you have any questions, please reach out to our career coaching team. You can find our career coaching team's emails on the Career Center page.